What's up, y'all? It's Matt, Dlux, DluxFab.com. Today we're going to show you how to assemble a Superlite rear 2.2 Pro axle housing. So, I already have axle shafts in the tubes. Now, as you can see here, schmoo there. These have a bearing here. This is one of those that's a C-clip kind of thing, which is one of the ones you peel all the way out. You crack it out there and work your way around to peel it out. So first, full circle C-clip in this. There's a bearing in there. Pretty straightforward there. I don't need to show you all how to do that. I'm sure you guys can figure that out. There's a bearing out here. There's no bearing here because it's supported by the locker bearing here. So here we go. Let's get this together. As usual, Loctite's your friend. Now, these go together. This flat side goes like so. Of course, these are all countersunk screws for the tube. Hope you guys are having a good day. Doing pretty good over here. We've been real busy here lately. That's a blessing. We'll take it. Alright, there's that tube. Next thing you're going to do, we're going to put this piece onto this tube. Little carbon piece. 1, 2, 3, 2 holes. Countersunk. This is before. Let's get the screws. Get all 3 of them in, crank them down. There you go. Next step, get our other bearing in here. There you go. It's our 4th gear / locker. So I've already red Loctited these screws that hold the locker piece to the gear. Those can sometimes over time work their way loose, so you want to make sure you get Loctite on those. I'm going to start this one, and then I'm going to slide in this one here. Nope, I put that in backwards. The flange bearing goes on this side. I'll put that in backwards like I just did. So slide that in. I'm going to slide this one in at the same time, just because the big third gets caught underneath that bearing. This bearing's on there pretty good. I don't want to fight with pulling it off. Now, at this point, grab our other shaft on our other side and slide it together. There you go. At this point, we're going to put this screw here in to hold it, just to hold that together. It'll all make sense in a minute. Now, we're gonna I already have our bearings in this plate. So we're gonna go ahead and install next gear, like so. Now these flange bearings, flanges go to the inside, guys. I'll put another screw in here in the top. Just a short screw, because it doesn't need to be 8 feet long. Next step is this little spacer here. See, one side's kind of got a inside curve to it. That goes to the inside. Slide that on there. I'll take one of these longer screws. Did I get it wrong? There it goes. Just like that. Basically, as a dust cover. Just keep dirt and schmoo out of your gears. Like that. Now we got another short screw. Here we are. Put him in here. Another short screw. Him in there. Now, we are to our four-link mount. So, this is adjustable. So this front one is a pivot bolt. So, get him in there. I would Loctite these as well, because they're going to be under a lot of stress being wiggled around. And these are stacked up carbon plates just to make that mount. That bolt there. Now with that bolt in there, let's go ahead and cover this right now. Get out of the way. You can pivot this. And then you can kind of change how your axle's riding. You can change how your axle's riding. Just for how you want it. Good and tight. You guys know how to put link mounts on. They go on like so. You also know how to put hubs on. Next thing left is the motor cover. Spur gear cover. So 2 short screws fit that. Just gonna use these 2. After you set your gear mesh all that up, there's your cover, your final tube screw. There you go, guys. Plop on your hubs, link mounts. There you go. Superlite rear V2. That's how you build it. Thanks, guys. See ya.